Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how to cook Olivier, a very popular traditional Russian potato salad. We will need 3 large potatoes and 1 big carrot boiled peel until fork tender, 1 cup canned or fresh green peas, about 6 pickles, half pound of ham, 1 big onion, 1 big apple, 4 hard-boiled eggs, 1 cup of mayonnaise, salt and pepper to taste. I prefer to use homemade mayonnaise, recipe will come in soon. First we have to peel all boiled ingredients and apple. Then dice potato, eggs, onion, ham, carrot and pickles. Try to dice all ingredients about the same size. The best way is to cut everything to about the same size of the green peas. In this case you will get a really beautiful uniform of salad. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below this video. Place all your chopped ingredients into one large bowl. For more delicious recipes, stay subscribed and go to our website RedNumberONE.com. For Olivier you could use different kinds of meat. This time I used baked turkey. It's also very tasty with fried, boiled or baked chicken breast, with roasted pork or beef. You may prepare and chop all ingredients day before, store them into a fridge and combine with the spices and mayonnaise before serving. Grate the apple and add to the bowl with all ingredients. Let green peas join to other ingredients. Add salt, pepper to taste. And super delicious homemade mayonnaise. Stay tuned, the recipe coming soon. Now thoroughly mix to combine all ingredients well. If your salad not creamy enough, feel free to add more mayonnaise. I like to add a bit of marinade from pickles to make a salad more juicy. Now serve your Olivier in the way you like and enjoy! A ready-made Olivier you may store in the fridge for 2-3 days. Bon appetit! If you enjoyed this video recipe, please like it and subscribe.